Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here again. Today's video is a special little haul because I'm showing you two cute flip-flops that I think you're going to love. They're different, they're fun, and I was really excited to try them both. I can't wait to show you how they look and tell you which one feels better for me. Let's get started. These flip-flops are so fun and colorful. The base is black, but it has this layered rainbow sole that really stands out and gives them a playful look. And the fabric straps are adorable. They have a cute floral pattern that makes them feel feminine and sweet. They're not too tight, not too loose, just right. I feel really comfy in them. What I love the most is how light they are. It's almost like walking barefoot, but with a little extra cushion under your feet. The material feels soft and flexible, so even after wearing them for a while, they don't bother me at all. And that extra height from the sole, it gives a nice little lift that makes them feel a bit more stylish than regular flip-flops. Honestly, I didn't expect to like them this much. They're simple, but they make me feel cute and casual. Definitely a great pick for summer or just lounging around at home. This second pair is completely different, and I love that. They're bright pink, bold, and honestly a little playful. What makes them special is that oversized bow on top. It's full of little shiny details that sparkle when the light hits them. Very girly, but in a fun way. The straps are thick and padded so they feel soft against my feet. I wasn't sure if they'd be comfortable at first, but they actually are. The foam sole is lightweight, not too stiff, and gives a nice cushion with each step. They definitely catch attention. I think these are the kind of flip-flops you wear when you want something different, something with personality. They stand out for sure, but not in a loud way, more like a cute surprise. I like the contrast between the black sole and the bright pink upper. It makes the whole design pop, especially with the little rhinestones. They feel summery, casual, and a little bit flirty. It's a good mix. Overall, this pair makes me smile. They're not basic, and that's exactly why I picked them. And now that I've tried on both pairs, I can say each one has its own charm. The floral ones with the rainbow soles are more relaxed, perfect for daily wear. They feel light, easy, and fun, a bit more subtle, but still cute. The pink ones, though, are louder and more playful. That big sparkly bow makes a statement, and they're great when you want something extra, something with personality and a little bit of sparkle. It really depends on the mood. If I'm going out for a walk or just relaxing, I'd probably grab the floral ones. But if I want to be noticed or feel a little flirty, the pink pair is my pick. I honestly love having both. It's fun to change things up and match your shoes with your mood. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm just getting started and there's so much more to come. Let me know in the comments which pair you'd wear or if you have a favorite type of flip-flop. Thanks for watching.